Okay guys, gawa tayo nito guys. Pero iba yung ano ko. Ito is chicken. Ito sa akin is moose. Yan. So, inaano ko na yung tortillas wrapper. Dito na sa oven. So, antayin na lang natin for 10 minutes. Simple lang to guys. Simple. I-wrap natin is ayan guys. Wrap natin ito. Ayan. Okay. So, yun na po ang ating ayan.
Toby Keith.
Hmm?
Toby Keith died this morning, cancer, stomach cancer.
Oh.
Even that.
Not you. Yummy.
Good count, huh?